our latest videos and uploads, press the subscribe button and press the bell icon.
Hello and Assalamu alaikum tech lovers. My name is Mohammad Uqas Nasir and today we are going to talk about the Mamba series gaming wireless LED keyboard and mouse set. So keep watching and stay with me. Welcome back guys. So let's get started. So as you can see that this is the box of the gaming keyboard and mouse. So you can see it's a rainbow backlit keyboard and mouse. It's a Chinese company, but it's a Mamba series of them. I don't know, maybe they have some more variety of keyboard and mouse in this series, but it's a 2.4 gigahertz rechargeable wireless keyboard and mouse set by Mamba, and it's a wireless rechargeable. So let's start unboxing it. So as you can see here we have these things. So first we have here is a manual, and it's in English and Chinese language, and then here we have this charging cable that we can use for charging these two devices. Here we have this mouse box, and then here we have the keyboard, the big one. So let's start with the keyboard. So this is the keyboard, and these are the things we have in here in the box. So let's put the box aside and let's start checking these things. Okay, so we have here this keyboard first. Let's take a look at it. So what we have here is it's like a metallic keyboard, because you can see it has a metallic frame that we can see on the body of the keyboard. On the front we have these 105 keys, and here on the top we can see that we have two extra spaces. So here we can put the mobile phone, and here we can put any pen or lighter or something. So these are like spaces for putting some accessories if you want to put. So here on the front we have this charging point, and then we have here is the power on and off button, and I think these are the things that we have. So it's a little heavy due to the metal body, but it's really looking fine crafted, and the back of it is plastic, and the keys are also plastic, but the main body of the keyboard, it's made of metallic frame, and it's also making it a strong thing. So let's take a look at the mouse then. So let's put it aside, and this is the mouse. So let's unbox it. Okay, so this is the mouse. You can see the mouse, and here you can see the Mamba logo, and it will light up when we power it on. So this is the wireless mouse that we have in the box, and we have it's a compact mouse, and it's really a good feel in my hand. We have now take a look on the features of it. So what we have here is we have three basic buttons that we have in every mouse, the left button, right, and the wheel button. But we have some extra buttons here that a gaming mouse should have, and that is we have two buttons here, and we have one button here. These two buttons can be used for moving forward or backward, whether you are browsing or you are exploring your desktop computer. So you can just press these keys and you can move forward or backward. And this button is I don't know what it is for, but it's written in there that it's for DPI, but I didn't actually use this button, so I don't know its functionality. And on the front we have also a charging point where we can charge this mouse. So the overall design of this mouse, it's very looking like a good gaming mouse. And we have also here on the back, you can see that we have this power button, and then we have this connector that we can just put it out, and this is the connector that we can easily put it into any laptop or USB compatible device, and we can just connect these two devices with this one. So this is the connector, and now we can see how it's gonna look like when it's power on. So let's see. Okay, so as you can see, as soon as I on the power, you can see a laser light in here. You can see there is a laser light in here, and on the front you can see the Mamba logos. It's just light up, and it's changing into different colors. It's actually like a rainbow lighting scheme behind this keyboard and mouse, so that's why it's constantly changing color. And you can also see from the side that the light is coming through these like a little bit windows, so you can also see from here. Alright, so this is the mouse, and this is when it's gonna look like when you power it on. And I think you can use it with its charging. You can, I think, use it a whole day long, or maybe 2 days or 3 days. I think it holds enough charging that you can use it more like 2 or 3 days. And if you want to charge this, I think it would take 3 hours maybe to charge this device, but it would fastly charge the device, but the charger with it, it's a fast charger, and it will charge fastly. This is the USB charging cable that you can see, and it can be used for charging these two devices. You can just plug it with any normal mobile charger, and then you can charge this device with this one. So right now I am using this thing. It's really comfortable in my hands, and I click the buttons really easily, and just roll the scroll wheel, and the position of the buttons is actually really good. Okay, so for the keyboard, so here we can see there are two footsteps that we can easily take out, and then it would be like in the standing position, and it would be like easily you can type easily. Okay, and we have here is the charging port, and then we have here is the power button. So let's take this device on, and let's see how it's gonna look like. So you can see that we have a rainbow texture throughout the keyboard, and it's really looking good. So you have three modes in this keyboard for the backlit light. So if you want to change your mode, you have to press this F1 function button, and then you have to press that button one time. You can easily see that how it's gonna pop up the light and then off and then on, and it's very relaxing and good looking effect that you can see right now. So we have this mode, and then we have the third mode. In that mode I think you don't see any backlit light, so if you wanna press one more time, then you have no backlit light on the keyboard anymore. So you can see that there is no light on the keyboard. The intensity of the backlit by using this function button, and then we can use this up and down button, so it could increase or decrease the intensity of the light. So if you want to press this and then this, so now you can see that the light is just going to disappear, and if you're going to increase it, then it's gonna light up. Okay, so these are the brightness levels that you can adjust according to your need, and these are the functions of this keyboard. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. I have put the links to this device in the description below, so you can go and check it out if you are gonna interested to buy. So guys, my recommendation would be that if you are a gamer or a professional, and if you love backlit light and especially wireless keyboard and mouse, you would definitely go for buying this one, and also it's in a budget. So guys, let's end with it. If I forgot something, I apologize. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you like it, hit that like button and press the subscribe button and bell icon, so you have my next video on your screens. Till then, stay blessed, stay positive. Goodbye. Assalamu alaikum.